were like super good at killing zombies, and I like tried to kill a zombie with Starbucks, but it didn't work. You have to help me, otherwise I'm gonna frickin' die.
I'm gonna help you because you're so pathetic.
So much. I took a selfie while I was killing the zombie, and I put it on Instagram, and it got no likes.
Please, give me back my Starbucks. I need my Starbucks, my baby.
Do you know what's worth fighting for when it's not worth dying for? Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Does the pain weigh out the pride and you look for a place to hide? Did someone break your heart inside? You're in ruins. 121 guns. Lay down your arms and give up the fight. 121 guns. Throw up your arms into the sky. You and
You are now proficient in all of the combative arts and survival training, so now I must teach you the most valuable knowledge a zombie slayer can have.
What?
The ability to read weather maps. Peasant, the first step to reading the sacred weather map is to read the air pressure, which is the weight that the air exerts on the ground in millibars.
With all due respect, Hyoda, why do I care?
That's Master Hyoda to you, peasant. It's vital because it's associated with certain weather patterns and plays a huge role in determining speed and direction of the wind. You can unleash its power by looking for isobars.
I think I found one of those under a rock once.
Yeah, but if you listen to me, you'll be able to win a battle against zombies without throwing Starbucks on it.
Will you let that go? Just answer the question.
Because I'm a nice person, I'm going to let that sass slide. Storms are caused because warm and moist air rises from the Earth's surface, and air near the center of it is usually unstable. As warm and humid air rises, it's enough to cause rain and even snow. Believe me, fighting zombies in the snow is not fun, so areas with low pressure tend to be cloudy, with rain and even thunderstorms.
Okay, is that all? I just want to go fight zombies.
Oh no, peasant, we're just getting started. You idiot. An isobar is a curved, simple line that demonstrates equal pressure. When the isobars form concentric, closed, but not always round circles. The smallest circle in the center indicates a pressure center. This could either be a high pressure system, shown by an H, or a low pressure system, shown by an L.
Well, that's kind of obvious, don't you think?
Show some respect, you uncultured swine. High-pressure systems usually mean good zombie-killing weather, and low-pressure systems usually mean poor weather, when you should stay inside and eat ice cream and cry about how you're so lonely.
Okay, so why does high-pressure weather entail fair weather and low-pressure systems reap bad weather?
Entail, whereas, reap? So you do have a brain, but it's the zombie apocalypse, no one has time for vocab.
I just can't win.
There are these things called fronts, and these mark the boundary between warmer air on one side and colder on the other. If you are close to a front and you know that the front is moving towards you, you can expect a change in weather, such as cloud formations, precipitation, thunderstorms, and wind, when the front boundary passes over you. Mountains and large bodies of water can distort its path. On a weather map, you will notice some lines that have semicircles or triangles on either side, or both.
Are all fronts the same, or are there different types?
For once, peasant, your intuition is correct. There are 4 main types of front: cold, warm, occluded, and stationary. In a cold front, rainfall can be torrential, and wind speeds can be high. Blue lines with triangles on one side represent cold fronts on weather maps. The direction the triangles point is the direction in which the cold front is moving.
weather map.
Warm fronts often
The direction
bring a
the gradual
gradual
point is the direction
increase
of
in
which the
rain
cold
as
front is moving.
approaches, followed by
Warm
prompt
fronts often
clearing
bring a
and warming
gradual
after the
increase
front
in
passes.
rainfall as the
If
front
the warm air
approaches,
mass is
followed by
unstable,
prompt
the
clearing
weather might
and
be
warming after
characterized
the
by
front
prolonged
passes.
thunderstorms. A red
If the
line
warm
with
air mass
semicircles
is unstable,
on
the
one
weather
side
might be
represents
characterized by
warm fronts.
prolonged thunderstorms.
The side of
A red line
semicircles
with
are on represent
semicircles
the
on one
direction
side
in which
represents
the
warm
warm
front
front is heading.
The side
Occluded
semicircles
fronts
are on
form when
represent the
a cold front
direction in which
overtakes
the
the
warm
warm
front is
front.
heading.
Occluded fronts are
Occluded fronts
associated
form
with
when a
various
cold
weather
front
events,
overtakes the
possibly
warm front.
thunderstorms.
Occluded
Depending on
fronts
whether
are
it is warm
associated with
or
various
cold
weather
occlusion.
events, possibly
The
thunderstorms,
passing of an
depending on
occluded
whether it
front
is
usually
warm or
brings
cold
dry air
occlusion.
and lower dew point.
Passing of
A
an
purple
occluded
line with
front usually brings
semicircles and
dry
triangles
air
both on the
and
same
lower
side
dew point.
represents an
A
occluded
purple
front.
line with semicircles and
Whichever
triangles
side
both
they're
on the
on
same side represents occluded fronts.
A
Whichever side they're on is the
indicates a
direction the
non-moving
occluded front
boundary.
is going.
They have long
A
rainy
stationary
periods in one
front
area and
indicates a
move in waves.
non-moving boundary.
A semicircle
They have
on one
long
side and
rainy
a triangle
periods
on
in
the
one
other
area
is
and
the
move
symbol
in
for a
waves.
stationary
A
front.
semicircle on one side and a triangle on the other is the symbol for a stationary front.
Well, that was a long and rather boring speech. Anything else?
Patience, peasant. We're almost done. There are these things called wind barbs, which point in the direction of the wind. Lines or triangles coming off the main line at an angle indicate wind strength. 50 knots for every triangle, 10 knots for every full line, 5 knots for every half line. Most weather maps have station models which show dew point, temperature, wind, sea level pressure, pressure tendency, and ongoing weather with a series of symbols.
That's cool. So, can we go fight zombies yet?
Alright, fine.
I heard there was one that was terrorizing the neighbors. I should track it down.
You should.
Okay.
How do I? Yoda, this is all my fault.
You are the next one. Protect the world, train others.
Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will